In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Logitech G29 on Need for Speed Heat on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the Logitech G29 or any other steering wheel on Need for Speed Heat is extremely simple. However, there is one step that if you do wrong, the steering wheel is not going to work. So in this video, I'm gonna clear that up so you do it right. So first, connect the G29 to your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's as simple as connecting the available USB cable into any of the available USB ports on the console. So once it is connected into any of the available USB ports and it is detected, try moving around the PlayStation 4 menu. If it is working, then go ahead and open Need for Speed Heat on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Now you will see the opening cinematic, and this is the most important part. Once you reach this step where you can see press X to continue, what you have to do is press X on the steering wheel. If you press X on the controller, it means that the steering wheel is going to be completely disabled. So this is the most important step and why most people cannot use their Logitech G29s or any other steering wheel on the game. You have to press X on the steering wheel. And when you do, it is going to be enabled. Not only will you be able to use the steering wheel, but you will also be able to use the DualShock or DualSense controllers. So you can choose whichever one you prefer to move around the menus and control your driving, of course. Now, you can also try something else. If pressing X on the steering wheel still doesn't work for whatever reason, what you can do is turn off the DualShock 4. So open the game, and when you reach this window, just turn off the DualShock or DualSense controller completely. When you do this, it is going to freeze the game with a notification that no controller was plugged in. Now you can press X on the steering wheel, and this will for sure use the steering wheel because it is going to be the only input device connected. So either press X on the steering wheel with both the DualShock or DualSense controller connected plus the steering wheel, or disconnect the controller completely, leaving only the G29. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Logitech G29 on Need for Speed Heat, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.